e-commerce agency Echidna. So today I'm discussing core features for a best-in-class B2B digital commerce experience. This will help guide your organization through this time of planning recovery and reimagining the future. With COVID-19 changing how buyers and sellers interact, the shift we saw coming was forced upon us this year. So what does that mean for the B2B market? Well, to us at Echidna, we think of it as taking a new lens on how you view your sales and marketing processes. Understanding that a corporate website needs to not just serve as an informational hub, but as a digital business platform for your partners and prospects. Before all that, there is one major thing you need to make sure you do. Know your users. It might seem simple, but it's often overlooked. What we mean by knowing your users is that it's not enough to give them multiple digital options to reach your brand or to do business with you. What matters most is consistently getting the options and the experiences that they want right. So, how do you know what your audience wants? We recommend starting by creating user personas. Your user personas will be used throughout the entire process of crafting your digital presence. You'll use these personas to create user journeys and the overall user experience that your digital touchpoints offer. The usability of your digital touchpoints has the ability to move your brand from lagger to innovator in e-commerce. So now that we've got that covered, let's get started walking through the 4 core features for a best-in-class B2B e-commerce experience. So the first core feature that I'm going to discuss is the search and browse. So everyone understands what this feature is supposed to do. Everyone also has certain expectations thanks to B2C e-commerce setting the bar. What makes it so complex is that on-site B2B search is so complex. We know it has lots of attributes, variants, images. You guys have hundreds or thousands of products. So being frank, most customers aren't going to dig into your navigation 4 or 5 subcategories. They expect to use your search and browse, have a one-click experience, and get those results that they desire. By doing certain things like prioritizing product data, using a smart search with personalization and products in stock given priority, and also part number matching and automated spell check, you'll be able to make your search and browse feature that much better. Our next core feature to consider when you're updating or creating your e-commerce website is suggestive selling. We see this all the time with B2C e-commerce websites. In B2B, it's especially helpful for buyers because they're often purchasing the same things over and over. Being able to suggest smart upsells based on what other buyers usually pair with that item, or maybe what other customers are also buying, even similar items that people are viewing, can all be smart plays. Shown on this slide is an example of how our client Jessup Manufacturing incorporates suggestive selling into their website. Cross-selling and category penetration techniques have been shown to increase sales by 20% and profits by 30%. So it's definitely a feature worth incorporating in your website. The third feature to consider for a best-in-class digital commerce experience for B2B is purchasing and fulfillment. So when it comes to purchasing and fulfillment, it's important to expose self-service tools and offer convenient means of service contact all at the same time. Several features that help offer a best-in-class purchasing and fulfillment experience are listed here. They include reorder, reoccurring orders, bulk orders, and subscription options for the buyer to replenish their stock, a digital wallet that offers a variety of payment options, convenient access to customer service as well as local support, so this can be online chat or click-to-call option, multiple ways to get what the buyer needs, so that could be same-day or distributed delivery, buy online, pick up in store, self-checkout, and then also abandoned cart follow-up. That could be an email or a notification next time they visit your site. Those are all ways that you can create that best-in-class purchasing and fulfillment experience. The last feature that I wanted to discuss is account management. And this sometimes gets overlooked, but it's really important to consider this while you're building your digital commerce experience for your buyers. Giving them an easy to navigate and clear view of their account is important for their ease of usability, and it also helps you personalize the experience now and even better for them in the future. So I'm listing out a few different features that are very important to put in that account portal when you're creating it. Account management and user management, the ability to update and make any changes to that, as well as if you guys have stores, being able to select preferences to store locations that the user likes. The ability to manage their invoices with ease, as well as contact your customer service department or billing department if there's questions. Being able to see order details, order tracking, order status if things are on back order, being able to understand when they will be back in stock and arriving. And then finally, being able to see their account credits, any notifications of discounts or promotions, as well as their account's current pricing and status are all important. Okay, to wrap up, I want to leave you with two thoughts. When you're looking at e-commerce technology, you'll want one that tightly integrates enterprise operations with your online business channels. When considering the user experience, you'll want to revert back to those user personas to create a delightful experience for all digital touchpoints and journeys. In doing so, this will give you an engine of innovation to continue to deliver value by powering future innovation and business automation. If you're looking for an expert partner to help you navigate your digital commerce journey, connect with our team at Echidna. We'd welcome the opportunity to learn more about your business and goals.